Hi, boys and girls. I'm Miss France, and today we're going to be doing Lesson 13-4. Our learning essential question is how can solid shapes be named, described, compared, and composed? So let's start today with our solve and share. We see here on our shelf that we have some solid shapes and some flat shapes, and what we need to do is draw a line from each shape to figure out if it's a flat shape or if it is a solid shape. So let's look at my first shape here. Do we think a cylinder is a flat shape or is it a solid shape? Well, I think the cylinder is a solid shape because it's a 3D shape. It doesn't lay flat like a 2D shape would. Let's look at my next one. I have a square here. Do you think the square is a solid shape or is it a flat shape? That's right, my square would be a flat shape because a square lays flat like a pancake. What about my sphere? My sphere, do you think it's a flat shape or is it a solid shape? That's right, my sphere would be a solid shape. What about my triangle here? Is it flat like a pancake or is it a 3D shape? Does it stand out? That's right, my triangle is a flat shape. Ooh, we have another cylinder here. I remember we looked at a cylinder up here, and we know that the cylinder was a solid shape. So this cylinder is also going to be a solid shape. My next shape here is a cube. Now, does my cube lay flat like a pancake, or does it stand up like a 3D shape should? It stands up, so that means it is a solid shape. My next shape is a rectangle. Now, is my rectangle flat like a pancake or does it stand up like a 3D shape does? It's flat like a pancake. So is it a flat shape or is it a solid shape? That's right, my rectangle would be a flat shape because it's flat like a pancake. My next shape is a circle. Do you think that's flat like a pancake or is it solid like a 3D shape? That's right, my circle is flat like a pancake. My next shape is a triangle. Now it looks a little different from the triangle we looked at before, but it's still a triangle because it has 3 sides. And we know that the triangle here was flat, so I think that this triangle is also flat. Now we have a cone. Do you think my cone is flat like a pancake, or is it solid like a 3D shape? That's right, my cone is solid like a 3D shape. Good job, boys and girls. Now let's go to my next page here. On my next page, the directions are listen to the clues, mark an X on the shapes that do not fit the clues, and then draw a circle around the shape the clues describe. So we can see here for number 1 that they did that for us already. The clues were I am a solid figure, I can roll, I have only one flat surface. What shape am I? And we can see that they put an X on the shapes that did not fit the clues and they put a circle around the shape that did fit the clues. We're going to try that for number 2 and I'm going to show you how I do it. I am a solid figure. I can roll, I can also stack. Well, I'm going to start thinking with each shape, with each clue, if the shape fits it or not. I am a solid figure. Well, I can see that all my shapes here are solid figures, so they all fit that clue. I can roll. I know my sphere can roll. My cube can't roll, so I'm going to put an X through my cube. My cylinder can also roll, so that could also fit that clue. I can also stack. My sphere. Do you think I could put a sphere on top of another sphere? Let's think about it like this. Could I put a baseball on top of another baseball? And would it stay? No, they would both fall down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an X through my sphere. What about my cylinder? Can I stack my cylinder? Yes, I can. So I'm going to put a circle around my cylinder. All right, boys and girls, I want you to continue on with the rest of lesson 13-4.